Hey everyone, this is Dhruman from Tech Insider India, and today I'm giving you a quick overview for the Sony WH-CH710N wireless noise cancelling headphones. Let's start by talking about the design of this product. These Sony headphones sport a premium build. With a swivel design, you can fold them up in a flat orientation and carry them around without any struggle. The headband on offer is adjustable and can be set according to your fit. The ear cups are also really comfortable and on the softer side. You get control on the headphones to switch your volume levels or scout through your media. There are also dedicated buttons for noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. You also get a 3.5mm headphone jack to plug in the cable if you run out of battery. Now these headphones are loaded with features, so let's cover them one by one. Sony WH-CH710N sports both Bluetooth and NFC connectivity. You can connect these headphones wirelessly via Bluetooth, and also you can connect these headphones with NFC-enabled devices with a single tap. The biggest highlight on the WH-CH710N is the active noise cancellation we get on these headphones. The headphones uses dual noise sensor technology which senses your environment automatically. This results in better and more refined sound output. There are 30mm drivers on the headphones which deliver clear sound and maintain a range of frequencies. Another unique feature of these headphones is the ambient sound mode, which allows you to be alert while you are listening to music on the go. With an inbuilt microphone on board, you can take phone calls with these headphones as well. Not only that, you can also enable your voice assistants using it. These wireless headphones by Sony should last 35 hours on a single charge, and they also support quick charging. So you can expect 60 minutes of music playback time in just 10 minutes of charging. So guys, that was a quick overview for the Sony WH-CH710N wireless noise cancelling headphones. I hope you found this video helpful.